Do you mind? My wife always wants to see somebody playing the guitar in here.
Well, my hat don't hang the same day long. My ears can't stand it both sides. I don't leave the highway long enough. Bogged down in the mud. I've got rambling fever in my blood. Well, I got rambling fever long ago. I first heard on some love. Someone said I never gave a damn. I sure did prove him wrong. I've had rambling fever all along, and I've got rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. But there's times I'd like to lay down on the sofa, let some pretty lady rub my back, and I'd spend early morning drinking coffee, well, talking about when I'll be coming back. Hell now, I don't let no woman tie me down. I never get too dang old to get around. I wanna die along the highway and run away like some old highline colt. Rest this rambling fever in my soul, and I've got rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degree. I've got rambling fever. Hell, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Well, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease.
All right.
Got a good sound, I guess.